Hi sweet people, welcome back to Afira's Sweet Corner. Today I have something a little different for you all, a baking haul. I went on Temu and spent €100 on some amazing baking tools and accessories. In this video I'll show you everything I bought at affordable prices and my first impressions on each item. First, I'll talk about what I'll be using for them in my future baking and cake decorating projects. So let's dive in. As you guys all know, these packages are so difficult to open. First up, we've got these transparent bags with glue sealing, 100 pieces for a few euros. These are perfect for packaging treats like cookies. Next, we have this set of 3 balloon nozzles. They have deep grooves, which will be awesome for piping decorations, especially for birthday cakes or special events. I'm so excited to try these out. So we've got some different designs on each one of them. Straight lines, like a ripple effect, and also a bit of wavy design. Now I got these acrylic craft sticks in gold. They are around €3 for a pack of 10. I grabbed 3 packs because I plan on using them for cakesicles. The gold finish will add a nice touch of elegance to the design. I also got them in silver. Both will be used for weddings, special events like Valentine's Day. The fifth item, I grabbed these plain wooden sticks that comes in a pack of 100. I also got these for few euros. I'll be using them for birthdays. Check out this big baking mat. For the size, it's perfect for rolling out dough or working with fondant. I've been wanting a larger mat, so this will definitely come in handy for my baking projects. But I really wanted a silicone one because it has grip, but this one was more a plastic mat. Here I'm trying to let you guys see the whole baking mat. This wasn't easy to roll out actually. So this is the final look I can give you so far. So it's quite big and I've used it till now and it's quite handy. So I also got one piece of it. I also got these cake care and cutting guide cards for my customers. There are 30 cards in one pack. I love that they help my customers with instructions on how to store and slice cakes. It's a nice professional touch. I also picked up an acetate sheet for cakes. I've got 5 meters of it. I've been wanting to experiment with this cake for cake decoration and cream cakes. This sheet will help with creating smooth edges. How cute is this silicone heart-shaped cakesicle mold for only a few euros? I love making cakesicles and this mold will help me create fun heart shapes for any special occasion, especially Valentine's Day. I also got one piece of it. I already used it. I am so happy with it. These cookie cutters in different frame shapes are just €1 for a set. Perfect for making cookies or cupcake toppers, and I can't wait to use this for some creative cookie designs. They're so ideal for weddings, engagement parties, to write on a message or write out the couple's name. I got some square shaped cookie cutters and some long shaped. I can't wait to try them out. Besides this, I also picked up a dough divider and a cake scraper for a few euros. This stainless steel scraper is going to be a great tool for leveling cakes or smoothing frosting and also dividing dough for pizzas or croissants. Packaging is important, so I grabbed these shredded paper fillers. These are great for packing cakes and other treats securely for delivery, but it adds a cute touch to the packaging. Now these cake stamps or cookie stamps with Ramadan Kareem messages were so cheap for a set of 2. Perfect for adding a unique festive touch to my cakes during Ramadan. Picked up some gift ribbons in blue, pink and black. All had approximately the same prices but very cheap. I'm always looking for new ways to make my cake packaging look extra special, but also for decoration on cakes. Now that we have a cake trend about bows on our vintage cakes. These silicone spatulas in pastel colors came in a set of 4. I love the colors and they'll be perfect for mixing and scraping frosting or batters. Also, when making rainbow cakes, it's perfect to mix up the frosting in different colors. I love silicone spatulas because they are so flexible and easy to scrape down the batter from the bowl or the frosting. I also grabbed a bigger silicone spatula in sea green for a few euros. Usually silicone spatulas are very expensive. It's nice and sturdy and it'll be great for folding batters or to fill up piping bags with frosting. Next, I got these giant chocolate molds for filled chocolate or Dubai chocolate. There were also a few euros and I bought two. And I'm really excited to make some large chocolate treats with these. They're so ideal to make Dubai chocolate or any filled chocolate you can desire for. They're so flexible and made out of silicone, so we can get our chocolate easily out. These happy birthday cookie cutters come in a set of 8 cutters. They'll be perfect for making fun cookie decorations for birthdays or cupcakes decorations. Let me show you the cookie cutters. So we have a bear shaped, a 3-tiered cake, and a cupcake with a candle, flower bouquet, and happy birthday again, another happy birthday to you, and cute balloons with heart balloons. I also picked up these Valentine's Day cookie cutters. There are 10 of these. They're perfect for love themed cookies or decorating cupcakes for the holiday. The shapes are all hard, but the stamps, we have a rose stamp, a whistling heart stamp, a heartbeat stamp, a flying heart stamp, love is in the air, a little Korean heart stamp, and the love you stamp, diamond heart stamp, a couple stamp, heart slog stamp, two hearts with the arrow going through. Look at this silicone mold with heart shapes. I plan on to create fondant decorations for cakes and cupcakes and also cookies. Perfect for weddings and Valentine's. This one is also flexible and I already use it. I'm pretty content with it. These Eid Mubarak ribbons were only a few euros for a roll and they're beautiful with their gold touch. I'm planning to use them for Eid cake and gifts. Besides black, I also got in a cream color. I also got it in a gorgeous light green color. I also grabbed these Eid Mubarak and Ramadan Kareem stickers. I love adding little details like these to my cake boxes. It's a nice personal touch. Another cakesicle mold with a ripple effect. This will create a unique texture on the cakesicles and I am excited to see how they turn out. They're also flexible like others. Lastly, I got this round rotating cake stand. It's the perfect size decorating cakes. And I love the smooth rotation of it. It's definitely a game changer for cake decorating. It has got a nice aluminium finish and a grip underneath, so it doesn't move around on the table. That's everything I got. Overall, I'm really happy with my Temu baking haul. Everything is super cheap, so it will definitely ease my baking and cake decorating. Let me know in the comments which item you're excited to see me use in future videos. Thank you for watching.